ngaleyo season mayefika, because Isaac was carrying a blessing of his father Abraham. Wafika in a place, the dry land, where there is a drought. Lili Bible wafika khona watshala, wafika wavuna in 100-fold. Ezweni okungamili lutho kulo, mhlawumbe kulula kakhulu. The prophet of God mayehla ufika kule ndawo lithi iBhayibheli mayiqeda ukutshala wahamba imithombo, kuthiwa abelusi baseGerari bamaFilisti